The Prime Minister a fait un aveu de taille, and he has just stated very clearly that he has breached serious clause of confidentiality by giving sensitive information to his former Deputy Prime Minister. This is a cover-up. And can I ask the Prime Minister, is he aware that the former Deputy Prime Minister can be an indictee and he's going to be convened by ICAC, which means that he has already been given sensitive information. This is what the Prime Minister has done.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I asked my Deputy Prime Minister to step down on the basis... Well, qui fait to exciter?
You have a very good question.
Yes, it's a very good question. Thank you for that. Thank you for the PNQ itself. I asked, Mr. Speaker, sir, I asked my Deputy Prime Minister to step down. I need to base myself, and he needs to know on what ground I'm asking him to step down. I revoke my Deputy Prime Minister, and the leader of the opposition has the cheek to say to the people of Mauritius that I'm covering up. C'est le monde à l'envers. But, so far he has not even mentioned the name of the other member of the National Assembly whose name is in this report. Huh? That is, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I call that
Order! Order on both sides of the House! Order! Order, please! Order both sides of the House! Order, please! Order! You finished with
I was saying, and he's accusing me of cover-up. Whereas this is a clear case where this is a clear case where he, as leader of the opposition, is trying to cover up for another member of the opposition.
Give the report, submit the report.
Order!
Honorable
Mr. Speaker, let me...
of integrity and
Order, please! Order, please! Honorable Bérenger, can you withdraw that word? Lâche. No. So, you have to withdraw yourself from the chamber. I suspend